Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Nginx on OVHcloud VPS with SSL from Let's Encrypt step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your OVHcloud VPS via SSH. Use a terminal on your local machine. Run the command ssh root at your _server _IP. Replace your _server _IP with the actual IP address of your VPS. Once logged in, update the package list. Execute the command apt-update. Next, install Nginx. Run the command apt install Nginx. Confirm the installation when prompted. After installation, start Nginx. Use the command system to start Nginx. Enable Nginx to start on boot. Run system to enable Nginx. Next, check if Nginx is running smoothly. Open a web browser and go to your server's IP address. You should see the default Nginx welcome page. Now, to secure your server with SSL, install certbot. Run the command apt install certbot python 3 certbot Nginx. This will allow you to obtain SSL certificates from Let's Encrypt. Once certbot is installed, stop Nginx temporarily. Use the command system to stop Nginx. Obtain an SSL certificate for your domain. Run certbot Nginx d_your_domain.com www.your_domain.com. Replace your_domain.com with your actual domain names. Follow the prompts to complete the certificate issuance. When prompted, choose to redirect HTTP to HTTPS. Certbot will automatically configure Nginx to use the SSL certificate. Start Nginx again using the command system to start Nginx. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.